We are looking forward to seeing more of you in the coming weeks and months with more good news. Honorable colleagues, it is my pleasure and privilege to inform you that our dear brother and colleague, Honorable Chimaobi Atu, member representing Enugu North and South Federal Constituency of Enugu State, today has sent a letter. And the letter is in respect of defection from Labour Party to the All Progressive Congress, APC. The content of his letter reads as follows. I write to inform the People's Speaker and my honorable colleagues that I have formally resigned my membership of the Labour Party after holistic consultations with my constituents and critical stakeholders. I have, therefore, moved to the All Progressive Congress effective today. This decision was necessitated by the persistent internal crisis plaguing the Labour Party, both at the national level and within the state chapter, which have hindered the party's capacity to provide the focused leadership. Sincerely grateful to the Labour Party for the platform it provided in the course of my political journey. I'm compelled to move forward in alignment with the renewed hope agenda of His Excellency, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR. His administration's demonstrable commitment to the development of the Southeast region, particularly through initiatives like the Southeast Development Commission, aligns with the aspirations of my constituents. Please accept the assurances of my esteemed regards. Signed, Honorable Chimaobi Atu, member representing Enugu North and South Federal Constituencies of Enugu State. Our dear brother, congratulations for joining the greatest party in Africa. We are wishing you all the best and we are welcoming you to our great party. Congratulations on behalf of the APC caucus of the House. Please start. Please greet the people from the right side first before you come to the other side.
Point of order, sir.
We will give you the time, but let us at least allow him to.
I'm here.
To enjoy himself. For No, I didn't. I just advised.
This is blackmail. Let Peter over here.
What are you?
Thank God, Your Excellency. Mr. Speaker, thank God, the mic is still on.
No, let him sit at the back. He's late.
Section 68, what?
What happened?
I've been calling.